Hey, so we're all familiar with terrestrial islands, but island-like systems exist in other environments too, such as the sea. We call them marine lakes, which are bodies of seawater entirely surrounded by land. The geometry of terrestrial islands is well described, with features such as colonization distance, island area, and topographical complexity influencing patterns of diversity. In marine lakes, it may be more challenging to identify parallel processes and characterize their impact on marine diversity. We therefore begin by modeling the physical exchanges between marine lakes and the open ocean. As for terrestrial islands, the geometry of marine lakes influences their habitat diversity. Here are three examples. Ongeim'l Lake is a small, shallow lake and has the same oxygen, temperature, and salinity profiles with depth. Mecherchar Lake is much larger, deeper, and oxygen, temperature, and salinity vary with depth, creating multiple habitats, including above, within, and below a chemocline, shown in mauve. And there is a wide diversity of lakes in between, such as Tea Lake, shown here. Among the questions we're interested in answering are, how do these habitat profiles form, and how are they maintained?
To investigate these questions, we developed a mathematical model. From measurements of the water level, temperature, and salinity in the marine lake, we first estimate exchange rates between the ocean and the marine lake. These exchange rates include surface, tunnel, and groundwater flows. Then, based on tidal and weather data, we predict the tunnel content, the dynamics of the lake level, which are shown on the left here, as well as the salinity profile and the temperature profile shown on the right. Thus, our study illustrates how lake geometry and weather influence habitat structure on ecological timescales. This in turn likely influences biodiversity dynamics spatially and temporally, including over longer timescales. This physical model for ecological dynamics in an insular marine lake is an early step in our research program developing marine lakes as exemplars of biogeographical islands. Please keep reading to learn more about the model and other highlights of our research shown here.